In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Baal and Aim in Code of the Lamb. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to perform a resurrection ritual so you can get Baal and Aim. You will be able to get them as followers. So all that you have to do to perform the resurrection ritual and get both of them is to acquire two peculiar necklaces from in the post game. So you need to get the light and dark necklace. You will be able to get them as RNG drops from, like I said, triple question mark. And after you acquire the light and dark necklace, you will be able to give them to a follower and sacrifice them through the sacrifice ritual. So get the necklace of light and dark necklace, and you will be able to equip them on any follower. Now go ahead and perform a ritual with those followers as long as you gave them the specific necklace and you go ahead and you sacrifice. Baal or Aim will appear and join your code. So all that you have to do in order is to get the necklace from give it to any follower, and then sacrifice those followers. The resurrection ritual will happen and Baal and Aim will join your code, and you should be able to get them. Afterwards, they will have specific interactions with others, and of course, you can repeat this if needed. If you only got one of the necklaces, you can wait until you get both, but this isn't strictly necessary. And of course, you need to do this in the post game. As long as you get the two particular necklaces, like I mentioned, you give them to any follower, and you sacrifice the specific follower with the necklace, you will be granted Baal and Aim, and they will instantly join your code to see all of the custom interactions and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Baal and Aim in Code of the Lamb. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.